Amsterdam's Schiphol Airport is testing a new way to move aircraft around the airport that could save fuel, cut costs, and significantly reduce emissions. The system uses a semi-robotic vehicle called TaxiBot, which allows airliners to taxi without turning on their main jet engines. For many travelers, the time between leaving the gate and taking off can feel like an endless wait. Behind the scenes, though, there's a lot happening. After passengers board and the doors close, an aircraft usually relies on its auxiliary power unit, or APU, a small turbine in the tail that supplies electricity and compressed air. A ground tug then pushes the aircraft away from the gate, while pilots start the main engines. Once the engines are running, the tug disconnects, and the plane taxis to the runway under its own power. The downside is the jet engines burn a surprising amount of fuel during taxiing, even though moving around the airport requires only a fraction of their power. That means unnecessary fuel consumption and extra emissions before the flight has even begun. That's where TaxiBot comes in. Developed through a partnership between Smart Airport Systems, TLD, and Israel Aerospace Industries, the vehicle looks similar to a conventional ground tug, but works very differently. At Schiphol, it's being tested with EasyJet Airbus A320neo aircraft, alongside Airbus and Menzies Aviation. Instead of disconnecting after pushback, TaxiBot remains attached to the aircraft's nose gear and tows it across the airport using electric power. The clever part is that the pilots remain fully in control from the cockpit, steering the aircraft using the normal controls. No major modifications to the aircraft are required. Because the engines stay off during most of the taxi process, they only need to be started shortly before reaching the runway. According to the developers, this could reduce taxi-related emissions by as much as 80%. So while passengers continue wondering why takeoff seems to take forever, Schiphol may be quietly transforming one of aviation's least efficient routines into a cleaner and smarter operation.